Hello YouTube, this is Suniti and I'm going to show you how to repot an Oncidium that I've owned for some time. So I have owned it and I've kept it in this cup, and this is its original pot. As you can see, the roots are so healthy here, lots of beautiful roots, and they're coming from the smallest, the most youngest bulb, which is this one. So if we look at the whole plant, this is how it goes. This is the first generation, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this last one, this one, is a nice mature bulb, gave rise to 2 orchid spikes. So last video I had, it had 2 spikes. So here is the baby now. The baby is this one, this tiny little shoot. You can see that. So, and the roots are growing really well. It has outgrown its pot. These have consumed all the space, and this is the progression of the generations. So as you can see, the roots are very healthy. You can see, nice and green. I just watered it. And that's all I've been doing. I've been keeping it in here and watering. But now it really needs some space to expand. So I'm going to pot it in this pot here, in a loose kind of arrangement, nothing strict. Previously I would have taken out this and unpacked it, but since it is doing so well, there is no sign of ill health coming from there. There's roots coming out. Can you see here, and inside the pot also I can see there are roots which are quite healthy. There's no need to unpack it and disturb the plant. So I'm just going to put it in this pot, and as you can see, I've put most of it is actually moss medium. That's what I have, is mostly moss. I took it out from the Phalaenopsis orchid pot, and I'm just going to use it. So basically I'm just going to loosely place it here so that the roots have somewhere to dig into and that the plant can sit firmly. So I'm just going to pack some moss around it. I have some extra moss, pack it up around here. Not keep it too deep, but allow the roots to grow freely into the moisture that will be there available in the moss. Now, why moss and why not bark? Because I noticed that this here is all mostly moss. It's really moss, and it has worked fine. The trick is to really let it dry out. So I don't water it that often, but I have been watering it more often because I really want to get to these roots which are outside the pot and need the roots. So that's what I'm going to do basically. That is my repotting. That's it. Just placement in a bigger pot so that the roots have space to grow and the plant has a more firm position, and I'm going to pack this in. So that's it. Thanks for watching. When this one goes to a bigger bulb like that, it will spike, but that will take a few months yet. So I hope this video was good and that this is a very, very simple repotting. It's really just giving it a bigger shoe, you might say. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.